This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Miranda Blah. President Ramnath Kovind and Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu have greeted the people on the eve of Dussehra. In his message, the President wished the people success, prosperity and happiness. He said this festival is a celebration of the triumph of truth over untruth and inspires people to live by the timeless values of honesty and truthfulness. Kovind said the life of Lord Rama is in essence a reflection of these values, which remain as relevant today as ever. The President expressed hope that this festival will inspire people to work for nation building and making a society that cares for the needy and the deprived. In his message, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu said the festival of Dussehra symbolized the victory of good over evil and added that there is a need to constantly quell the demonic forces and foster goodness and harmony. He expressed hope that the festival will bring peace, harmony and prosperity to the country and the world. The Manipur government has allowed the construction of buildings till 7 stories in the Imphal Municipal Corporation limits. Earlier, buildings in the municipal area had to be restricted only till 3 stories. Municipal Administration, Housing and Urban Development Department Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar said buildings up to 7 stories can now be built in the IMC limits, but only after obtaining of permits. Officials said these buildings will have to be quake resistant and their design will have to be approved by registered structural engineers. The National Investigation Agency has arrested a self-styled Surgeon Major of NSC and IM Group in connection with the killing of Arunachal Pradesh MLA Tirong Abo in May this year. The 37-year-old Eli Kitok was arrested on Sunday from Nagaland's Dimapur by a joint team of the Terror Probe Agency and the Army. He said the accused was part of the killing team that actually fired on Abo and others on the May 21st this year, and NIA has earlier arrested 5 persons in connection with this case. Nationalist People's Party MLA Abo, his son and 9 others were killed when suspected NSC and IM militants opened fire at their vehicles near 12-mile area in Tirap district. The MLA, along with his relatives, was on his way to Khonsa from Dibrugarh in Assam when the attack happened. Justice Ajay Lamba was sworn in as the Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court yesterday. Governor Jagdish Mukhi administered him the oath of office at Darbar Hall of Raj Bhavan in Guwahati in the presence of Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal. Others who attended the swearing-in ceremony were Chief Secretary Alok Kumar, Director General of Police Kuladar Saikia, senior officials of the state government, High Court judges and members of the legal fraternity. Lamba had earlier served as a judge of the Allahabad High Court. Assam government, on the occasion of the 571st birth anniversary of Vaishnavite saint Srimanta Sankardeva, has declared today as Dry Day in the state. In a tweet, the Vice Chairperson of Assam State Anti-Drugs and Prohibition Council, Lucky Gogoi, said, in view of observance of Janmotsava of Sri Sankardeva, the government of Assam has declared Dry Day throughout the state for today. An earthquake of 4.3 magnitude with an epicenter in Bhutan rocked Assam at 6:05 p.m. yesterday, the Meteorological Office in Guwahati said. The quake struck at a depth of 10 kilometers in the neighboring Himalayan kingdom, with latitude 27.9 degrees north and longitude 91.5 degrees east, it said. No casualty or damage to property has been reported so far, police said. Last week, an earthquake of 4.8 magnitude with epicenter in Manipur's Imphal district had hit parts of the northeastern region. Yodo, a Khasi language feature film by award-winning filmmaker Pradeep Kurba, has become the first film from Meghalaya to be premiered at Busan International Film Festival. BIFF is one of the biggest film festivals in Asia. The film was premiered recently at the 24th edition of BIFF held in South Korea. Filmmaker Kurba said the film was able to connect to the audience at the festival. The simplicity and honesty of the film have touched the movie lovers at the festival, Kurba added. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.